Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase Advanced Trade, secure access step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. In the upper right corner of the homepage, click on the Sign In button. Enter your registered email address in the first text field. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will receive an email with a verification code. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Coinbase. Copy the verification code from the email. Return to the Coinbase login page and paste the verification code into the designated field. Click the Verify button to confirm your identity. Once verified, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password in the appropriate field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your mobile device for the authentication code. Enter the authentication code in the provided field. Click the Login button to access your account. You will now be directed to your Coinbase dashboard. To access Coinbase Advanced Trade, locate the Trade tab at the top of the screen. Hover over the Trade tab and select Advanced Trade from the drop-down menu. You are now logged into Coinbase Advanced Trade and can begin trading securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.